is Total Television at the FTTH Summit in Milan, where I'm talking to Christian Kimell, who is the head of marketing and sales at Ericsson. Christian, you gave a very interesting presentation yesterday to the conference. What were the key messages that you left for the delegates?
Yeah, yesterday I talked about the key consideration for building a future-proof network when it comes to fiber optics. And my key message is that you need to be by building a reliable network. This is a network going to be in the ground for 30 to 40 years. So that's one of the key issues. Another thing is the flexibility, because you never know the applications or what the kind of demographics is going to encounter in the future. So that was actually the key message. Keep it flexible, reliable, and also have a low cost of ownership, a total cost of ownership.
Yeah, I mean, that's very, very important. I think that's one of the features of your exhibition stand here as well.
Yeah, that's one of the most important features that we show. We have actually a workshop, a live workshop, where the operators could actually come into our booth and do a live demo, so we could actually see in real life how that affects the total cost of ownership.
Because, I mean, that's very critical, and I guess really operators are so anxious to meet today's bandwidth demands that sometimes that could be something they overlook.
Exactly. I mean, you have to look at the whole picture, and that's actually why we bring the three parts of Ericsson into this. You have the passive parts, which I recommend, you have the active parts, and you also have the service element. And I think Ericsson is quite unique in that sense, that we have all three collected on the same roof, actually, and we're also here present at the booth.
Well, I mean, you have great pedigree. You've done virtually everything in telecommunications in your history. Actually, talking about the event, stand's very busy. I've had trouble getting here through the crowds. It seems to me it's almost like the glory days have come back to our industry. What do you think of this event?
Yeah, I think we've seen a great evolution of this event. I mean, we've been here from the beginning, been a gold sponsor of this, and we've seen it's just developing. And in its last couple of years, it's been amazing how the crowds is going. And we see that also when the customers start deploying in a bigger scale as well. So I think this very much follows the development of the industry.
Okay, well, Christian, great to talk to you on Total Television.
Thank you.